Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. Today I'll be opening Accio Box for April of 2019. I'm really excited for this box because this box is themed for book 2 in the Harry Potter series. The March box was themed for book 1. This is book 2 and it's gonna go on until September, until book 7. So that's really exciting. But on top of that, I have an exclusive item in each one of these boxes. Spoilers ahead, my exclusive items are alternate book covers for each one of the 7 books in the series. I've designed them to look like sort of like something you would find in the Hogwarts library. For example, I have last month's book cover right here, and this is a spell book cover. And as you can see, it's really nice. It's got the gold foiling on it, and it just looks like something from the restricted section of the Hogwarts library. So yeah, as you can see, it just looks really cool. And even though I did design these items, I'm still very excited to get them because these are printed so nice. Oh man, it's so good. And if you want to get your hands on these book covers, the only way to do it is by subscribing to Accio Box, or if you're lucky enough, you might be able to pick up one of the 50 extras that they have every once in a while. But after that, they're gone. So if you want to get every single one of these book covers, make sure you subscribe to Accio Box. Follow them on Instagram for an announcement for when they put these up on their Etsy shop. And yeah, that's really the only way you can get them. I won't be doing a DIY. I won't be allowing downloads for the templates or anything like that. I won't be selling them myself. It's only through Accio Box. That's the only way you can get them. And if you are gonna subscribe to Accio Box, make sure that you use my discount code Muggle Magic, all caps, no space. That's in the description box below as well. You will get 15% off your first box in a month-to-month subscription. And another really cool reason to subscribe to Accio Box, other than getting amazing items, is that they are the only cruelty-free box in the fandom. So that's really cool, and I like to support that. Anyways, if you do enjoy my videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up down below, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All of these things really do help my channel out, and I do appreciate that. And without any further ado, let's open this box. So here we go. They've changed their packaging recently, and I think it looks really nice printing all this stuff on the box itself. Here we go. And when we open this up, the inside flap here, it says, "We solemnly swear there's good stuff inside." I did not notice that last time. This is, like I said, new packaging. So let's open this up. We've got the yellow tissue paper for Hufflepuff. I'm just gonna kind of grab things at random and not look at them until I pull them out of the box. So we've got something in a bag. There we go. What is this? Oh my God, what is this? It's a hat? What? Okay, whoa, wait a minute. Is this a Dobby hat? This is a Dobby hat. Okay. I'm gonna wear this for the rest of this video, and I don't care how ridiculous I look. This is happening. How do I look? Does it look pretty good? Let's keep going. All right, so next we have, ooh, this is a really cool pin with the symbol for the Chamber of Secrets here. All right, let's move along and see what else we have in here. Feels like maybe a candle? I can't tell, let's see. Phoenix Tears. Yes, it is a candle, I believe. So let's open this up and see what it smells like. Ooh, that smells really good. I'm gonna keep this and I'm going to burn this in my room because I like the smell of that. Healing Tears, Fire, Cinnamon, Sweet Grapefruit, Hand-poured coconut wax. Awesome. All right, let's see what else we've got in this box. We got some bubble wrap, which is always good. And then, here we go. This, I know what this is. This is the next book cover. And I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna open it last. I think there's only actually there's a couple of things left. What is this? Just Loyal. Oh, okay, so this is something just for Hufflepuff, because this is the Hufflepuff box, if you couldn't tell already. What is this? Let's see if I open this up. Oh, okay, it's a mirror. That makes sense. There's a mirror, and It says Just Loyal on it. Cool. This is probably mainly for like makeup and stuff, but it's nice to have a little mirror. So yeah, let's keep going. We have the print. There's a print in here. There we go. Oh, cool. The Flying Forward Anglia, optional invisibility booster available. It flies. Very cool. Let's see, what else have we got? Some squigglies. Transfiguringadoption.com. Cool, so this is like a little advertisement for a website, transfiguringadoption.com, a nonprofit organization. It says, by giving a hoot about their families, nurturing, foster, and adoptive children. I will leave a link to this in the description box below so you can see what's going on here. And other than the cheat sheet, we have the book cover to open. So let's open this up. I've actually got the Chamber of Secrets right here ready to put this cover on, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, here we go. And here we go. I think it's upside down. Here we go. Yes, there it is. Deadly Flora and Fauna. And this one is green, and it also has obviously the gold leafing that the last one had. All of them are gonna have this. And it feels just as cool. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Now let's put this thing on the book itself. And there we go. That looks so good. And there's the spine and the back of the book right here. It looks so good. I'm so happy about these. And here are the first two in the set. We have the Book of Spells and Deadly Flora and Fauna. The third book will be coming next month. So if you're wanting to get your hands on it, it will be there next month. And I did notice that the first one was printed just a little bit too tall. So, I mean, it still looks really good, but the top of it just doesn't quite fit. And that has been corrected in this next one. And honestly, you could probably just measure it and trim a little bit off the top and bottom on this one, and it would be just fine. And here is a closer look at the book cover. Now let's check out the cheat sheet. The elf ear hat is by Transfiguring Adoption. That's transfiguringadoption.org. They're an organization hoping to help adoptive and foster children through supporting and uplifting their caregivers. This adorable hat is their own design, and $2 from each box sold will go directly to them in support of their mission. So that's really cool. Accio Box does this a lot, like where they'll support a charity and things like that, and I really love that. And then we have the Chamber of Secrets entrance enamel pin by Amos Plush and Pins. That is etsy.com/shop/Amos Plush. We have the Phoenix Tears candle right here, and that is by Sense and Sensibility, sense-sensibility.com. The Flying Forward Anglia print is an Accio Box exclusive. It looks like it was designed in-house. And then the house pocket mirror. Check around corners or just inspect your hair with this cute functional pocket mirror, illustrated by our Accio CEO, Christina. And then of course, the Deadly Flora and Fauna exclusive book cover was designed by me. And that is it for this unboxing. Let me know what your favorite items were from this box. If I had to pick my favorite items, it would be the book cover. If I am not allowed to choose the book cover, I would say the Dobby hat is awesome. And then I really like this pin. This Chamber of Secrets pin is really cool. I could actually just pin it on the ear here, and that would be awesome. So yeah, let me know what you think of the hat and if I look good. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.